Time management. Time management is the art of consciously managing your time to make the most of it. It is said that he who learns the art of managing time can do just about anything in life. Here is why it is essential to manage time and the importance it holds for people from different walks of life. Time management is vital in every sphere. Time management is essential for people belonging to different walks of life. Be it a student, homemaker, working professional, freelancer or a business professional, everyone must manage her time well in order to manage their tasks well. Here is a detailed look at the importance of time management for each of these groups of people. Importance of time management for students. Students need to juggle between several different activities throughout their day. From going to school, college to taking tuitions, from indulging in self-studies to participating in sports activities, from taking part in extracurricular activities to taking enough rest to stay fit, and the list goes on. In such a situation, if you do not schedule your time properly, you wouldn't be able to carry out any task efficiently. Importance of time management for business personnel. Discipline is the first thing you require if you are planning to start with a business, and the first step towards disciplining the self is to respect time. In business, you are your own boss and you have a lot more responsibilities compared to when you are working for someone else. In order to handle everything efficiently, you must begin by managing your time resourcefully. Importance of time management for homemakers. Homemakers toil the entire day. Their list of tasks is endless, and if not managed properly, it can be quite taxing. Since they require doing different varieties of tasks each day, they should begin by preparing a to-do list in the morning. Prioritize the tasks and keep checking as you finish them one after the other. This would not only help you manage your time efficiently but also give you a sense of satisfaction. Importance of time management for freelancers. Freelancers, particularly those who work from home, must ensure that they prepare a daily schedule and follow it diligently to manage their time efficiently. Most individuals who work from home choose this option because they have certain duties to fulfill at their home. Fulfilling your personal duties and managing your professional tasks simultaneously can be quite daunting. The key is to manage your time efficiently. It is suggested to identify those hours of the day when you can concentrate best and spare the time for your professional tasks. Importance of time management for working professionals. With the growing competition, it is essential for working professionals to perform exceedingly well in their field. They are expected to do something out of the box in order to outperform their peers and stay in the good books of their seniors. It is thus essential for them to schedule their time in a way that they do not only get time for their usual work but also for doing something different, new that can bring them recognition. Quick tips for efficient time management. Prepare a to-do list. Finish the important tasks first. Concentrate solely on the task at hand. Learn to say no. Keep your phone aside as you begin your work. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours a day. Have a healthy diet. Exercise regularly. Conclusion. It might appear simple, but managing time efficiently calls for great qualities in an individual. There is a lot that goes into it. You must stay disciplined and constantly remind yourself as to why it is important for you to accomplish your tasks in a time